Who would win in a battle to the death between AP Physics C Mechanics and AP Physics C Electricity and Magnetism? In order to model this, let's draw out the arena that the two will be squabbling up in. In order to determine which one is more powerful, let's try to see which AP will have the biggest colliding force with the other AP. In order to determine this, we'll use the two colliding force equations, which for mechanics, we will use the universal law of gravitation, and then for electricity and magnetism, we're going to use the same form in Coulomb's law. The first thing that we can notice here is that the universal law of gravitation is pretty much entirely dependent on mass and distance, while Coulomb's law is entirely dependent on charge and distance. So if the two objects have a mass that is much bigger than their charge, then mechanics will win. But if their charges are much bigger, then E&M will win. But the key to determining a winner for this battle is going to be to look at the constants, which are the two things that are the same throughout the equations. So these are the values for the constants in both of these equations. Big G being approximately 6.67 times 10 to the negative 11, and K being the Coulomb constant having a value of approximately 8.99 times 10 to the 9. The biggest thing here to notice is how much greater the Coulomb constant is than the gravitational constant. You'll notice this when you do, for example, two magnets inside of like a cup, right? You'll notice that if the magnets repel each other, the gravity doesn't bring them together. They stay repelled. This is because electricity and magnetism is just that much stronger than mechanics. If you need help with AP Physics C, be sure to subscribe and check out our courses, and hopefully this answers the question of